Here is how to be that cool girl at the party. 4 senses to master how to glow up overnight and rebrand yourself. So subscribe for more style inspo, glow up tips. Sign up to my weekly newsletter, link below for more glow up tips straight to your inbox that doesn't come from YouTube. What exactly facilitates the cool girl? So I'm gonna let you in on something. I live in Los Angeles, and being in the LA party scene, I would see the cool girl and have like an immediate reaction to her, and I would think like, wow, how do I be like this? It's a scene. It's definitely a scene. And then I became the cool girl, I guess, eventually. But I'm gonna let you know that there are 40-year-old guys who are gross, who still are obsessed with going to these LA parties, and it doesn't look good. It doesn't stay cute. But your cool girl phase is an endless journey that you take with you, and nobody can take away from you. It's not just like an LA party girl. It's the LA cool girl forever. How to be that girl. I'm here to impart wisdom with you today. I have been told many times by younger women, now that I'm 27, like my own birthday party, these girls came up to me who were like 24 and 23, and they said, you're the chillest person here. Everybody asked me to say something instead of them saying it to like the rest of the group, and I'm like, why don't you say it? They say, well, people are going to listen to you. People are going to pay attention to you. Take 20 minutes a day toward any of these things each day, and you'll get good at them. The method to become this person is full of really simple steps. It might not be easy when you think about it, but having the discipline and taking the time to do it, 20 minutes of your day toward each of these things. I'm gonna go through 4 senses to captivate people. Why only 4? Because nobody needs to taste you to understand just how cool you are. That's a bonus for later in your private personal life. But number 1 is smell good. So do all the basic grooming. When I say smell good, I mean like just take 20 minutes a day to make your teeth perfect. Brush them well, floss, or use a water pick, whatever you do. Make sure they look white so that when you have yellow like warm tone lipstick that is like pink base, it doesn't make your teeth look canary yellow. That's disgusting. And if you have red lipstick, like blue based or any type of red lipstick, it shouldn't look yellow. Shower, a full body scrub, soap your glands. Wherever you sweat, soap those places. Brush your hair, wash your face. People are gonna be like, what are you talking about? Just notice that when you smell good, you can give an immediate reaction without people even looking at you. So if you pass by, someone has an amazing perfume, you're like, whoa, what's that fabulous smell? And you look around, you didn't even see the person. So don't smell like nothing, actually smell good, have a fragrance, a signature, find out what works for your taste and what you want to emulate. And all perfumes are different on everybody. Obviously, the chemistry reacts with each body and your hormones or your pheromones or something, oils on your body. So just smell good, do what makes you smell good, and like smell spectacular. So that's just one thing first off. So having an immediate reaction just by how you smell. Next is the easy way is to dress well, aka look good. So dressing well just means to dress appropriate for a situation. Sign up now to my Glow Up program linked below. There's 2 ways you can work with me. So I have one-on-one coaching where I guide you for 30 days. And then I have a Glow Up course you can access anytime you want with lifetime access at your own pace at a discounted rate only for a very short time, because it's in beta stages and will get better from here with the help of your feedback. But if you do the one-on-one coaching, you'll see much faster, glowier results and gain more personally, I feel, because you're working one-on-one with me and I can tell you right there and then all of the things to help you glow up. You can always ask the host or hostess of the party and ask, what is the attire? If there's like no proper invitations or like no paperless post invitation or no flyer for the party, whatever it is, whatever event you're going to, if you're just going to someone's house, be appropriate. So don't go to like a business meeting in a bikini unless like your job is a model and you need to model bikinis, but like just be astute to the situation, read the room, and if you don't know what to do, ask or Google it. And just ask the host or hostess, especially if you know someone or know someone who knows the hostess. So just look appropriate, look put together, make sure your clothes are neat, make sure they're like clean, make sure you have that respect of showing up with your looking well. And it's really easy to find just trendy clothes if you want to fit in, if you want to be cool, if you want to be trendy in that sense of you're cool, you're trendy, you have on the latest fashion. Then there are so many trendy stores. I'll have like link below all the places that I shop personally, but you don't even need to do that. Just use what you already have that makes you feel good, what flatters your body shape. Know how to dress for your body shape. When you have your clothes steamed, when you have your, like, they're not wrinkly, they're not creased, and when clothes fit you well and they're flattering on you, is what works the most. Like, you don't even have to go for trends. People will look up to the way you dress when you look good. When you look good and you feel good in how you look good. If you feel like you want to wear skin tight clothes and that's your thing, do that. Whatever enhances your body shape, flatters you first and foremost. It's not about the trends, because there are a lot of hideous trends out there and you don't need to follow those things. Number 3 is social skills. Sound good. Social skills, master your charm, master your manners. And there's not a lot to basic manners. I'm gonna give you a challenge on this one, and I want you to give this a like. I want you to hit this up in the comments if you've done this. If you will do this, if you plan on doing this, like manifest that by commenting below. Be like, I will do this. I am going to do this. I'm putting in the action toward doing this. This is a really hard one. So everyone can look good. Everyone can smell good. Everyone can dress well. But when you can master making others feel like you are a delight to be around, then you have won this whole thing. Nobody cares how you look. Nobody cares how you, like, people obviously care how you look, because that's like the initial reaction when I would go to parties and see like the LA cool girl. I'd be like, oh, she's fabulous, because she looks fabulous. She has this dress that nobody else thought of wearing. She looks really unique. She stands out. But then some LA girls will like open their mouth and you're like, oh my gosh, make it stop. But then there are other ones who like you feel inspired by. So be the one who's inspiring. And you don't have to necessarily be smart, be anything special. You already are special. You're born unique. So to fit into someone else's trends is like, it just baffles me why someone would go along with something else when they already feel so beautiful in this other way. It's like, just expand on that. How to master your charm, how to master good manners. First off, Google university social skills. Google is your friend. Google like basic manners and social etiquette for certain events. Like if you're going to an LA barbecue, probably bring something. Bring some food. If you're going to someone's house, a little gift. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. I have like this face mask that I never used and it was really expensive. I got it as a gift in like some purchase. I gave it to my girlfriend and it's a really nice brand and I knew she would love it. Like it doesn't have to be like you spend a ton of money on gifts to bring over to someone's house. Like be a great guest. You have to have stories stacked to make someone smile, and not just stories that, oh, you want to tell the story. It's like stories that you know they're going to want to hear that's relevant to whatever they're saying. Mind your manners, take off your shoes, ask if you need to take off your shoes. I don't care if it's an outfit, be respectful of someone else's home, someone else's party. Do this one thing. This is the challenge I'm going to give you. If you're at a party with a host or hostess, they're running around. When you go into someone's home and there's an event, or if there's any event, someone opens the door for you, whoever it is, give them a huge hug and kiss, tell them hello. Greet them. You look radiant. You're like, I'm so excited. Where's the host or hostess? Lead them with you. Have them like hold your hand and walk you to them. Then talk about, first off, how they look. Like, you look radiant. You're glowing. Being a hostess suits you. This is your calling. On top of that, add a comment on the atmosphere. The decoration you did is my favorite color. It just makes me smile looking at it. Comment on the job they did as a host or hostess and be like, this is my favorite food that are catering. It's like you read my mind. Like everything about this place is just gonna be so fun. Thank you for doing this. Thank them. And then I want you, cherry on top, offer your services. Be of service, be who you are. This could mean so many things. So this can be shaped in so many ways. And I'm not saying go offer to scrub their toilet. Just like give what you can while you can. So like while you're there, like make sure you wash your dish if you like ate off a plate. If they have like party people who manage like the serving, then give it to them respectfully. Make sure that there's like no trash laying around. Make sure that their home is clean and it's not a mess. If you see something out of place, put it back. Go out of your way to like lean in quietly and respectfully ask the host or hostess, be like, do you need a hand with anything? Do you need a hand with someone putting out more chips in a bowl? Need me to intervene into two people talking because you don't want them talking together? You know that if they get together, it's going to start a fight and this party is not going to be a party anymore. Whatever it is you can help them, just like keep it on the down low. Don't like scream and say, hey, do you need help? No, just be like, hey, let me know if you need some help. And like all throughout the party, all throughout the night, give them eye contact. Like lock eyes with them. Smile. I'm here all throughout the night. Let me know if you need a hand on anything. Wash the dishes. Just make their life easier, because the more hands that can help, the faster the work gets done. And you want to help them feel at ease, especially at a party. So master your manners, sound good. So number 4, the final one, is to feel good. So add your personality on top. Feel good about who you are, and others will too. So this is something that I always say and I've lived. So I notice that when I'm trying to like fit in someone's graces, or when I'm trying to like make them feel good too hard, you don't have to try. You don't have to say anything. All you gotta do is that every time you talk, something positive has to come out. That's it. That's the only rule to life. If you learn anything, is just make sure that what you say is positive, or if someone else says something negative, offset it and say something positive. Someone says their outfit is crazy and I'll say, oh, it's not my taste, but I think it really highlights their eyes, or something like that. Just find a way to, like, any type of negativity, offset that with something positive, and people will always remember you as a positive person. When you feel fulfilled, when you are content with yourself, it emits to others, and other people who are also content with themselves, other high caliber bombshell people, will see that in you. They'll recognize that because they have their own version of what makes them happy or what makes them feel fulfilled, and then they see that in you and they recognize that, and those are your people. When you are a high caliber person, you attract other high caliber people. So add your personality on top and feel good about yourself, because nobody wants someone who's at a party who's feeling like crap because they didn't pass a test. Because this is like a legitimate excuse or a legitimate story that happened. Someone like didn't pass their like big test for the career that they wanted, and they were like at the party crying. It's like, don't be at a party crying. Leave your problems outside the vicinity of the party. Don't have the therapy session. Don't talk about yourself. Just have fun. It's a party. Have fun wherever you are. Be that cool girl. Like the cool girl, what does she do? She inspires, she motivates, she's like says, you can do it. She believes in you. Like the cool girl does all the things right. So you don't want to be the person who brings all the things wrong to the party, and just like be yourself, be authentic, and don't try. But when you do say something, make sure that it's positive. Lift other people up with you. So I noticed that with all the cool girls that I have experienced, and people will comment on something when I do or say something like this at a party. So subscribe for more inner and outer beauty and style inspiration, because you deserve it. Share this with someone else so you guys can spread the cool girl camaraderie, and sign up to my weekly newsletter linked below for more glow up tips straight to your inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.